Oh, wow, look at that cloud. Outside work. Raining. June 1st, 2019. Hear how loud that rain is? Oh, I love that smell of rain. It's raining right now. I love that smell. That rain scent. That's super Target right there. It's hailing. Oh my god, now it's hailing. The hail's about pea size. It's nothing too serious. Oh, I'm outside work right now. I can't believe I can't believe this storm, man. It's getting bad. Whoa! I got that on video. I got that on video. I got that on video. Oh my god. I can't believe I actually got that on video. I'll make a video a few minutes longer. Let's see some more lightning. Let's see what this... Bring it on, storm. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Surely this is not the safest option, but I don't think there's really much of a chance anything bad will happen to me up here. I don't know. I could be wrong. The hail's about pea size. It's very, very tiny. Oh, wow. The clouds just look horrible here. Wow. Look at that. There's Super Target. The one near where I used to live. Hi. Ooh, that was a good lightning over there. Too bad my camera might have missed it. Too bad. What is that noise? Is that hail? What is that? I don't know what that noise is. Just hear some sort of noise. Oh, I missed that. I missed that. Alright, I'm going to keep my camera here for a few extra minutes to make up for it. I hope the hail doesn't get any larger. Man, Aurora, Colorado. Here we go. Hail is still falling. I'm going to step back a few. inches. I don't want to get struck or anything. You know, I want to just minimize the chance of as much as I possibly can. RTD train. Oh, that's making it. Oh my god, now it's pouring way harder. Wow. Holy crap. Here we go. Woo! I bet the plants are happy today. Oh my god, I haven't. It's worse than it's worse in person, guys, than it is on my camera. My camera is not making it look as bad. It's actually worse in person. It's like it's like totally raining now. It's like all dark. There, that showed it a little better. It's like really dark and it's raining heavily. Try to get 1 or 2 more very great lightning strikes here, and then I'm gonna go back to work. I'm waiting for a good lightning to catch on film. Come on. Hearing some thunder. Whoa! I missed it. Damn it! I can't believe I missed it. That was crazy, dude. That sucks. I missed it. My camera. At least it seemed like it did. Looks like the hail stopped. It looks like it's just rain right now. It's a lot of rain. It's a tiny bit of hail so far. Woo! This storm ain't gonna light up soon, anytime soon. Those clouds did look bad. I mean, wow. Oh, there's a good lightning over there. Looks like a lot of the good lightning's over there. Trying to get some good lightning, but looks like it's getting kind of difficult to do that. What the heck is that noise? Is that hail? Woo! That sounded bad. Nice. Nice. Woo! Bad lightning over there now. That was another bad one over there. Wow. Go ahead and start filming for like 5 more minutes. I'm not going to rush this video. I'm just going to make it a fun video to watch because that's what I feel like. I want to make it long so you guys can see a lot of like the first 15 minutes of the storm. Oh! Oh! I missed it. Just barely got that one. That was so big, dude. That was a big, big lightning. Holy crap. That was massive. Water's getting on me now over this balcony. Oh, hail's back. Yeah. Yes, sirree. That is hail. Holy crap. Hailing again. Oh, I just saw more hail. Oh my god. It's hailing again. Hail wasn't done. Hail's falling on the ground right now. Pea-sized. About pea-sized. Pretty small. Let me show you. Oh, I missed some good lightning just now. God. Seems like most of the bad lightning happens randomly when you don't have a video on, you know, when you don't notice. It looks like the storm's actually getting worse a little bit, anyway. Oh, the hail's getting worse. Look at on top of that car. Oh, jeez. Fuck you, Mother Nature. That was funny. That was kind of funny. Oh, for real? Hail is hitting me now. Oh. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Holy cow. Look at all that hail right there. Wow. I wonder at my house what it looks like right now. Probably hailing worse than over here, but I'm at work right now. This is near where I used to live. We're getting some major weather, man. Oh, yep. There was a hail right there. That is the size, people. Holy crap. It's getting really, really wet out here. Woo! Oh my god. Nice. Whoa! Hail got a little bigger. Look at that. Oh my god. That's like... That is... Actually, wait. No, that's like corn sized. Oh my god, we're getting like... Dude! Look! That is Dippin' Dot size. Holy cow! Oh! Oh my god, that was the biggest lightning yet, I bet you. I missed it. Dude, that was freaking huge. That was like a big monster Z or whatever. I mean, that little squiggly line. Not a Z. Duh. Sorry. I misphrased it. Oh, flooding. Oh, another bad one. Man, all these bad ones are happening randomly. When my camera's not even on it, it seems like, when it gets bad. I'm going to try to get a couple really bad ones on film. Flooding's happening right now. We're getting flooded, guys. Wow, this is a big storm. Update on the flooding. June 1st, 2019, major storm. Oh, more hail. Oh, that car has a little hail damage. Hail piece right there. Whew. This is a wet one. Jeez, I missed another lightning, by the way. I got this on video. What do you guys think? Tell me right now what you guys think. Trying to get like a really big lightning on video. I got that on video, I think. There's a good one. I'll go ahead and end the video, guys. I'm getting low on storage. Flash flooding is occurring. That was so loud. Oh my god. Ooh, another piece of hail. Oh my god. I guess we are not done. More hail's falling. Oh boy. Ooh, one just hit my leg. It's getting powerful. Holy crap! It's even louder now. Oh, a really big lightning again just now. Look at look at those hails. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! That changed the sky color for a second to purple. Wow! I'm so mad at myself I missed it. Another piece of hail. Oh, I think I got that one on camera. That one also turned the sky purple. Guys, I gotta get to work. I want to go home soon, so I'll see you guys in the next video. After that sound. Alright, bye-bye guys. 25 minutes of footage. Hope you like it. Still hailing like crazy, but I gotta get to work. Storm's probably gonna last for a long time. Probably about another 20-25 minutes, maybe longer. I don't see this storm getting over anytime soon. See you guys in the next video.